Hello everyone, welcome you to the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Last week's key features was the cessation of northeast monsoon rains over South Peninsular India on 19th January. There was no significant rainfall over Southeast Peninsula during past 2 days, and dry winds from northern India prevailed in lower levels over the region. Last week's large dense fog layer over northwest India decreased significantly during the second half of the week due to the approach of a western disturbance. The dense fog layer was almost absent since 19 January except over South Punjab, South Haryana and parts of northwest Rajasthan. Last week's cold wave to severe cold wave continued to prevail till 16 January and reduced in intensity thereafter. Severe cold wave prevailed in isolated places over Himachal Pradesh on 15th and 19th to 21st January, Uttarakhand on 15th January, Punjab on 16th and 21st January. Cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed over isolated places of Punjab and Haryana on 15th January, Uttarakhand on 15th and 16th January, West Uttar Pradesh on 16th January. If we talk about the rainfall during last 1 week, then rainfall was deficient all over the country. In whole India, it was 97% deficient compared to the normal rainfall. If we talk about rainfall from 1st to 21st January, then rainfall was deficient in most part of the country except in South Peninsula. In South Peninsula, it was above normal. Key weather systems during next 1 week is that the western disturbance, now seen as a cyclonic circulation over South Afghanistan in the middle tropospheric level with a trough in middle and upper tropospheric westerlies, roughly runs along 63 degree east longitude to the north of 25 degree latitude. An induced low pressure area has formed over central Pakistan with the associated cyclonic circulation in the lower tropospheric level. A trough line runs from cyclonic circulation associated with that low pressure area over central Pakistan to northeast Arabian Sea in the lower tropospheric level. This western disturbance will move eastwards during next 2 days. Another fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 26 January. If we talk about next 2 weeks rainfall forecasting, then for week 1, that is 15 to 21st January, above normal rainfall is likely over most parts of Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, which is associated with the western disturbance. And in week 2, which is 22nd to 28th January, scattered rainfall is likely in Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. Forecast for next 2 weeks temperature is that for week 1, minimum temperature is likely to be below normal in many parts of northwest India, North Karnataka, Vidarbha and many parts of South India. It is likely to be above normal in many parts of Madhya Maharashtra, Northeast India and some parts of South Karnataka. In week 2, minimum temperature is likely to be below normal in East India, West Rajasthan, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It is likely to be above normal in many parts of Northwest India, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, South Karnataka and Northeast India. If we discuss about the possibility of cold wave for the next 2 weeks, then the possibility of cold wave is not there, as above normal minimum temperature is expected over major parts of North India, Northeast India and some part of Central India. And in week 2, above normal minimum temperature is expected over major parts of North India, Northeast India and some parts of Central India. If we talk about subdivision wise warning for next 7 days, Today, day 1, there is possibility of heavy rainfall and thunderstorm, hailstorm in the Jammu Kashmir Ladakh area. And also there is possibility of thunderstorm in Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, and there is possibility of hailstorm in Rajasthan. For day 2, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall in Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and there is possibility of hailstorm in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, and as well as thunderstorm. For day 3, there is possibility of dense fog in Rajasthan and Punjab, Haryana. For day 4, there is possibility of dense fog in Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and there is possibility of rain and thunderstorm in Tamil Nadu. For day 5, there is possibility of thunderstorm in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. For day 6 and day 7, there is no warning. Thank you for watching us. For more details, please visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in and please follow our social media account like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Namaskar. Jai Hind.